Hey folks, one of the many reasons why I love Epic is that it's so searchable. It's very friendly to the searcher. So, for example, if I'm in Epic, I'm signed in as an educator, I want to search for a certain topic. I can look up, for example, fairy tales, because that might be an upcoming unit. And then, of course, they give you some options. Fairy tales every child should know. Oh, fairy tales for young readers. So you click on that, but you're thinking to yourself, well, how young are we talking? Can I be specific? So actually, yes, you can. Let me close that. Right here, it says advanced search. If you click advanced search, check it out. Filter by reader age. If you click that, Lexile measure, AR level. So I can say, actually, my Lexile measure, I want it to be 450 to 730. So now it's filtering out. It's kind of highlighted, but it's filtering those books. It's showing me just the books that are at that low level. So here's Jack and the Bean Pie. If I click on Jack and the Bean Pie, it's going to open the book for me, but check this out. Right at the top corner, there's two little pages with a plus. If you click that, you can create your own collection. So you can select books you love that are specifically helpful to what you're teaching and create a collection. So you can see that I've created a Mexico collection, a weather collection so far, so you can do your own. And then what do you do with those collections? So here's what happens. Close out. If you go into right up here, it should have your little avatar and you'll see My Library. In your library, it says, collections. Check this out. Here's my entire Mexico collection of 11 books, or actually more than 11 maybe, and I can assign it or share it. So you could share it if you want the link, and you could post that in your Symbaloo account that you let kids use as a resource. You could assign it easily right in Epic. So I can select all, assign it to everyone, and then what kids are going to see, and I took a screenshot because you can't go back to it usually, is this. Let's go to files. Sorry. I couldn't log in as a student at the same time. So recent. Ooh, I lied. I took it in an incognito window, so it didn't save to my files. Anyway, kids will log in. They see a little mailbox at the top right corner, and there'll be a red check right on that mailbox. So they can click on the mailbox, and it will lead them right to the assignment of that collection that you assigned. So pretty cool features. You can search very easily. Use advanced search to specify and get down to the nitty gritty on what you want, and then create collections that you can assign to kids either by sharing the link or creating an assignment right within Epic. So let me know if you have any questions, and have fun reading with these super fun, engaging, bright books.